Hey, so today we are about to learn the not formatting, sorry, I'm really sorry. So today we are going to be learning the comments in HTML. So what are comments? Basically comments, bear with me for a moment. Let me just prepare the structure, then I'll be telling you what are comments. Two. HTML comments. Okay, so what are comments basically? Comments in HTML or any other programming language are basically statements that are written by the user, the programmer, in order to remember what he had done. For example, you made a program and when you made it, it was working properly. But for example, now you abandon the program for the time being and you come back a year or 2 years or 3 years later, and then imagine having to figure out the whole huge gigantic program again to figure out what you had done at that time. So to eradicate that issue, programming languages have comments. These comments are not interpreted by the compiler of that programming languages. They are ignored by the compiler. It's just for the remembering purpose of the developer. Okay, so how do we write comments in HTML? So to write comments in HTML, we have to put an opening angular bracket and exclamatory mark followed by two hyphens, 1 and 2. This is the opening comment, and then two hyphens and a closing bracket for the closing part. Now comments can span up to whichever amount of lines you want. For example, this is a comment. The HTML interpreter won't interpret it. So we have created a comment. This is a comment. The HTML interpreter won't interpret it. And here I will just create an h1 tag. This is a heading. The HTML interpreter will interpret it. Let's just save this file and open it with Google Chrome. So you can see that only the heading was printed, but the comment was not printed. It was just ignored by the HTML interpreter. When I open the inspect tab out here, you will see that the comment exists right here, but the HTML interpreter hasn't interpreted it to make out any meaning out of it. Okay, so that's it for the comments part. I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something new. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Like the video, share it with your fellow developers. Thanks for watching.